Hello peachies, welcome back to Dear Peachy. As the weather warms up and the flowers start to bloom, it's the perfect time to refresh your makeup routine for the spring season. With longer days and plenty of natural light, you can experiment with new makeup styles and lighter, brighter colors that reflect the cheerful and romantic atmosphere of spring. Inspired by Japanese magazine models, this makeup style features a light pinkish tone and wispy long lashes to create a cute and youthful appearance. Watch as Xiaohongshu beauty influencer, Meco, demonstrates how to achieve this stunning look with easy-to-follow steps. Without further ado, let's get started. First, Meco is prepping her skin with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin-Enriched Face Base Primer. Meco has some exciting plans today, as she's going to sightsee the cherry blossoms with her friends. She wants to wear a makeup look that goes well with the flowers with a light and airy feel. This makeup look is perfect for outdoor spring activities like sightseeing or picnicking under the cherry blossoms. Apply a moisturizing lip balm or treatment to nourish your lips to protect the delicate skin. For those with normal to dry skin types, a foundation with a glowy finish can help achieve a natural and luminous complexion, closer to the Japanese model's inspired look. However, Meco notes that she has oily skin and prefers a matte foundation to keep her complexion looking fresh and shine-free throughout the day. Meco shares a useful tip for applying foundation, particularly if you're using a long wear formula. Instead of a damp cushion puff, she prefers to use a dry one to pat out her base. Using a damp puff can affect the foundation's longevity, causing it to shift or not stay put on the skin. Japanese models are known for their youthful and radiant-looking skin, with a firm and taut appearance. To achieve this look, Meco concealing her tear groove with a concealer, to improve her complexion by reducing the appearance of grooves and dents. Next, Meco uses a lighter shade concealer to color correct the darker skin tone around her mouth, to create a more even-looking base. Set your base with any loose powder you have. Next, Meco fills in her brow with the deep brown shade from her eyeshadow palette. Just fill in the sparse area according to the brow shape you want. Contour your nose from the eye socket area in a C-shape motion to make your nose root look deeper. Add contour to the nose tip to make it look rounder and daintier. For eyes, pick any muted pink shade you have, just like what Meco is showing here, and layer it all over the upper lid and lower lid area as the base color. According to Meco, the soft pinkish eyeshadow can create a cute and watery effect, similar to the appearance of deer eyes. This is perfect for creating a romantic and feminine makeup look, with a touch of innocence and sweetness. Add dimension to your eyes by using a warm pink shade with higher saturation on the lower lash region and crease. This creates depth and radiance. Blend carefully for a seamless transition between shades. The pro tip is to get a pink-colored gel liner and apply it to your lower lash line to create the impression of watery eyes, like you have just cried. Then, Meco continues to fill in the egg yolk cell contour with the egg yolk cell liner. Complementing her eye look, Meco is using a muted pink lip liner to go over her egg yolk cell liner to create a natural and cohesive look. Next, Meco fills in a puppy eye eyeliner using a brown gel liner. She directs the liner downwards during the outer end of her eyes. For a more dramatic look, you can use a fine liquid liner to fill in the fake lower lashes at the lower lash line. To make your eyes pop even more, consider using glittery eyeshadow. Meco recommends dabbing it and applying it evenly on your upper lid for a sparkly finish that will catch everyone's attention. You can also dab more of the glittery eyeshadow at the center region of your lid to get the maximum shine and make your eyes look even more radiant. Before applying the fake lashes, we will need to curl them first. If you want to wear this look as your daily makeup, she says that your natural lashes are enough to complement the overall look. If you're like Meco and want to wear this look for photos, false lashes can enhance your eyes even further. Meco even suggests applying lower lash falsies for a more dramatic effect. Meco is using the same muted pink shade on her cheeks as well. Start by layering it at the center of your cheeks and blend it upwards towards your cheekbones. Then, apply a little bit at your nose tip to create a natural flush look. Then, add another warmer and more saturated blush to the inner cheeks and chin. Meco says she likes her natural lip color as its tone goes well with the overall look today. She enhances it by dabbing some blush on top her lips and layer a thin coat of coral lip gloss for that natural look. Add a tiny bit at the center of the lips for that glazed effect. Lastly, highlight the nose tip, nose bridge and inner corner with this shimmery champagne shade. And voila! Meco has created a makeup look that perfectly complements the spring season and cherry blossoms. The soft pink eyeshadow, puppy eyeliner, and muted pink lips all work together to create a cute and romantic look. By following our pro tips, you too can achieve the same watery and doll-like eyes, as well as the cute and fuzzy look that Japanese models are known for. Do you love this look as much as we do? Tell us more in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye!